When you ask your kid to pack for a weekend of camping, when you ask your middle child to pack for a weekend of camping, let's see what we got. A football, pair of pants, pair of shorts, and a t-shirt. That's it, folks. Bo's idea of a weekend's worth of... He has none of his race clothes. He has no socks or underwear. No toothbrush. But not too bad for Bo.
Hi guys, it's Lucas Goes Fishing. Today we're going to be going camping. We're leaving today and Friday. And then we're gonna camp in a Walmart parking lot.
Yeah, we are.
And Saturday we have our dirt bike race. Yeah, Bo wanna go? Mommy, Jacob has red slime and red eyeballs. You can make a crab.
Oh. You gonna make a crab, Jacob?
I can make like a blue monster.
Lucas, give us a big smile.
I can make Cookie Monster.
We're hoping that tooth falls out by the end of the weekend.
Mommy, I can build Cookie Monster.
Why? Because you have blue sand? Where's your thing, Bo? Where's your sand?
Right behind
Mom packed them some little
under the coupler.
Some little fidget boxes, and we're really enjoying them, aren't we, guys?
Am I gonna be in the way? Okay, 7.
This isn't camping without a good game at Uno.
Right.
Is it, boys?
Oh.
It's like our tradition. Mickey D's and Uno.
I only have one red and that's mine. Whose turn is it?
Who wants to go first?
Me.
Bobo.
Whoa.
Skipping your mom right off the bat.
See you later. Mommy's off the bat.
I don't know who he's gonna put.
I forgot the GoPro.
Robert Jadish.
Green. See you later.
Green.
Don't have a rat. Are you serious? Stop.
Oh, sorry, Lucas. I feel like we've been in the car forever. It's probably been like an hour. Oh, I can't zoom in.
He's giving on all his
These sandboxes are still keeping them busy. Lucas kicked our butt in Uno. Oh no! Sand's in the box. Sit down. Wow. See how nice my new kid. Backyard rumble on Etsy. Not quite sure what they're doing.
And that's the messy day. Think I'm saying, everybody.
Bo.
I did a piñata. Everybody, take your candy.
It is not a piñata.
It is.
Bo. Jadish.
Yeah. Oh, no. Was so much.
it, Jacob.
Go, go, go. Go.
Get him, baby.
Where are we, guys? We're at the lovely
Yeah, we already have that.
Oh, there's a little pink bike for Cookie.
You want it?
Is that for Cookie Bear?
Yeah.
Oh,
This one.
oh, you like that one?
It's a girl. That's a girl, Jacob. He doesn't care about it. He doesn't even know what girl is going in. So he doesn't care about it.
Doesn't care about it.
Hi guys, and now we're going to Walmart. Yeah, and it's Bo on the go. Mom, if he could film Jacob a YouTube channel, Jacob on the go. He's probably gonna get a Spider-Man toy.
Well, LBI Opoly. Is that where we are?
Oh, no.
What is that? Bottle bank.
Oh,
Anyone have to go to the bathroom with Dad?
can I get some Coke?
It's a piggy bank.
No, it's not. It's Coke.
No. Oh, Lord. I knew that was gonna be. Guys, where are we? LBI? We are.
Mommy,
Everything says LBI on it, which means we have to be close.
LBI. Mommy.
Long Beach. So we are by Long Beach Island. Down the Jersey Shore. Benny! Benny! And we found this fun little playground. Yeah.
Mommy!
Yeah.
You're the monster. You have to try to get us.
Oh. What happened to the shoes? We lost the shoes. I'm gonna get you. Get him, Benny. Get him, Benny. Get him. Oh, yeah? And give me the L? Oh. Get you. No, I just got one more to get. Think I can't go up there? Think I can't?
Mommy has a big butt.
Excuse me, Bo? Was there an announcement? Was there? monkey. That not how. Don't do it, Bo. Come on, you wanna ride with me? Ah! Don't do it. No. No. I'm out of here. Come on, Shug. They went down the path already. Go get them.
Got one in the black hoodie.
Oh, he's reeling one in. Wonder what he caught, guys. Oh, it's excitement.
He's probably gonna walk it this way.
He got something. It looks like a shark.
Shark. Guys, come here. Lucas, Bo.
It's this little duck in the lounge.
Lucas.
Oh, shit. He caught a shark.
He caught a shark.
They caught a shark.
See it? Come on.
Whoa, look, boys. Don't touch him.
Touch him.
Oh, just touch his back.
Rub his back.
Don't go by his neck. You scared? Whoa. Cool.
Wanna touch the sharky?
Come on, you want to touch you? Oh, okay. He's going back in.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, shark. Life jacket loaner station. Kids don't float. That's nice of them.
Huh?
Life jacket loaner station. Practicing your baseball slide? Ooh, good one. Danny boy, coming for you.
This is how you slide the fish.
I see the sign. In between the construction trucks. See it? Long Beach Island. Oh, you're the Spider-Man. You're the beach Spider-Man. Penny, go. Go get him. Go get him. Oh my God. Bo. All right, let's go.
Again.
Now we're leaving. We got to go to the race. Where are we going now, Lucas? Where are we going?
Batman.
Sahara Sands.
Fireman.
Second race of the season. Here we go. Benny's pooped. Benny, you have a mouthful of sand. What happened, baby? What happened?
Dad got you.
It's Koshku?
Yeah, Dad got you, but he my baby.
Benny's tired. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful day. Welcome to the 20th Street. Oh, you alright here, bud? And I'll see. Come on, Jacob. No, Jacob. We don't need to run back just to run. Oh my god. This is the life of Jacob. Come on. And then mommy has to go back and carry him. This is life. Look, I'm gonna shake. Oh, we found the ocean. Now this is the ocean. Look, there's surfers. I think brothers are picking shells. Yeah. What'd you find? What's a penny? What's a penny? What is it? No, that's a cool one. What? That's awesome. Good finds, baby. Find more shells? No going in the ocean. Ooh, it's a shell. It's a piece of a clam, maybe. I don't know. You finding good shells? What'd you find? Oh, you found a big one.
I stuck my feet in the ocean for this.
Oh, those are good ones.
They're huge.
Huge.
Can you hold them?
Oh.
I don't have pockets.
What else would mommy be for? Look at the surfers, Lucas. Oh my god, best day ever. What are you doing? Spider-Man went to the beach? Spidey went to the beach? Look at mama. Jakeush. Quite big.
Wow.
Here's my puppy. Here's my puppy. Look at all these treasures Lucas found. Oh, that's a good one. I like the ones that are whole.
I'll leave them here and you don't move.
Okay.
I'll go look. Baba.
Yeah.
They're not allowed to.
No, not allowed.
Look. Mommy, look.
Oh, that's a cute one.
Like this.
Cool. You guys found lots of good shells.
What's this one? Look, I found this one.
Aw, that's a cute one.
Want me to show you where all the big ones
A
are?
clammy. Look at Benny's prints. They look like little bear paws. What'd you find, Bo?
Look at this stuff.
What'd you find?
Two! It's a fossil! Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Found a fossil!
Bo, look, they're gonna wave. You see him? Look, he's gonna ride the wave. Look, there he goes. Whoa, that was cool.
Mommy!
table?
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, he'll make it through the race. Yeah. Well, I mean, I've been running these.
Do you have to charge their bikes?
No, they're good.
What you doing, Dad?
Labor of love right here.
Oh my God, you're scratching the...
Oh yeah.
Why don't you bring it up to the tire station?
They're gonna put the same scratches in it. Probably.
Probably not. Now I am. Really? Where you going, Bo? Are you ready to go? You going to the starting line? Don't do that here.
He's not the fastest. No, he's not.
But I'm still in America Brendan's Gary is really terrified because I need to be like
From New Jersey, no one under the age of 18 is allowed in the pit other than a rider.
that was the one
We're going to have you guys step out on the side. You must spectate behind the regular fence here.
Hillary, and I was like, I drive like 8 minutes, I didn't even text her, so that's
We are going to have
Seconds. Woo!
What's the flag?
Oh, Lucas. Go! Yeah, Lucas, go! Good job!
The guy in front of him was going into his front.
oh, where the Connor from?
Go, Bo! Yeah, Bo! Go, buddy! Good job!
Oh, dang it.
Oh, no, Dave! No! Hurry, hurry, hurry. He'll catch up.
Come on, David!
He'll catch up. Come on, Dave!
Let's go!
Yeah, buddy! Go, go, go! You're doing great!
Go, go, go!
Lucas! Pass them on the open! Go! Look, he's pissed. Look, now he passed them all. There, he got past them all.
Lucas, go! Oh.
Let's go, Bo! Good job!
So 1 second back. James Dietrich in third, back about a minute. Easton Winiger in fourth.
Yes.
Roxon Weber in fifth. Josh Healing in sixth. Nolan Confer in seventh. Barrett Evans in eighth. Ryder Hunt ninth. Lucas Jodak in 10th place.
Yeah, Lucas! Good job, buddy! Good job! Come over this side. Come over this side.
The Price is Right. So if you're going to get a trophy, come over here. Let's get. All right, you ready? Here, come on up in here. So 10th place is Lucas. Are you Lucas? Good job, buddy. All right, Barrett Evans. Barrett Evans. Here we go.